रिकनेक्ट करनी पड़ती है। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. Good morning. So,
कुछ बताओ मेरे को ऐसे भी सुनाई दे रहा है क्या? और लगाऊंगा 3 देना फोन निकल जाएगा चले
okay, all right. So, it's time to start now. Okay, we will start. I am going to mute you all.
गुड
Okay.
मॉर्निंग मैम।
Very good morning. Now, mute yourself, everybody.
ओके मैम, म्यूट आवरसेल्फ। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Okay. So, good morning to all of you, and we will begin now. In our previous class, what did we learn? In our previous class, what did we learn? Whatever question is being asked to you, you need to give me the answer in the chat box. We learned about the opening screen of Windows, isn't it? And I explained you that this is your title bar, a ribbon at the top of the opening screen. There we have a ribbon, and then on that ribbon we have few tabs which are called as tabs of the ribbon, and then groups we have, and we have various icons on the ribbon. Then we spoke about these bars. I hope you are able to see my pointer. We spoke about this bar which is called as ruler bar. Okay, on this ruler bar we have 1, 2, 3, 4, these counts are written. So this ruler bar tells you exactly that where is your pointer, right? Then look at this side, look at this left side of your screen. We have this scroll bar. Okay, this scroll bar is used to scroll your page up and down. This is this again is a vertical ruler, and this is horizontal ruler. Okay, and this side we have scroll bar. Look at the right side of your screen. With this scroll bar you can scroll your screen up and down. Okay, and we spoke about this white area also, which is used to type. Okay, this is called as document area. Now in your previous class I told you that how to color a page. Like this is your white page. If you don't want to work with white page, you can go for another page. And what is? I'm going to delete this. Let me delete this. So this is my white page. Okay, this is my area where I am supposed to type. Now look at the ribbon. In this you have one tab which is page layout. Okay, you will click on page layout tab, and when you click on page layout tab you will get page color there. Okay, you will get this page color button. Then click this page color button. Okay, you will get this color palette. you can choose any color of your choice. Okay, if you like light colors, you can choose any light shade from here. And if you want to go for a darker shade, you can choose a darker shade. That is completely up to you. So let me choose a light shade. I'm going to choose this shade. So your page is now light blue in color. Earlier it was white. If you don't like white color, if you want to work with the colored, you can color page. How you make it? You will go to page layout tab, or then you will get page color button. Click that small arrow. You will get this color palette, and then you can choose any color of your choice. Is that clear? Now, this is my light pink page. Now, let me apply border also. This page is not looking nice like this. So, let me apply border also. Besides that color page, you have one more button, that is page borders. Okay, you have page borders. Click on page borders, and then you will get this window on the screen, that is borders and shading. Now you want to apply a border. So this second button is box here. First is none, second is box, third one is shadow, next is 3D, and then we have custom. So we will click on box button. All right, I clicked on box, and then here in this style box, you choose what kind of border you want to apply. आप अपने पेज को कैसा बॉर्डर लगाना चाहते हो? यू वांट टू अप्लाई प्लेन लाइन, और यू वांट टू अप्लाई डॉटेड लाइन, या फिर ऐसा चाहिए, या डबल बॉर्डर्स चाहिए, या ट्रिपल बॉर्डर्स चाहिए? आपको जो भी बॉर्डर्स अच्छे लगते हैं, यू कैन चूज दैट बॉर्डर. एंड देन बिलो यू हैव कलर ऑल्सो. अगर आपको ब्लैक कलर का बॉर्डर लगाना है, जस्ट चूज द स्टाइल ऑफ द बॉर्डर and then say okay. You will get a border. Did you see? You will get a border of your page. So now you have a page with black border along its sides. So this is my page. I can work with this page now. Now let me say I don't like this black border. I want to change this. So I can, after applying border to the page, if I want to change, I can. उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? Again you need to go to page borders button, click on page borders, and then here below styles you have color also. Color में लिखा है automatic. Okay, you click this arrow. What will you get? You will get, again you will get color palette. Red shades are there, yellow shades are there, blue is there. So let me choose blue color. Okay, and then यहाँ से आप बॉर्डर की विड्थ चूज कर सकते हो, कितना मोटा बॉर्डर आपको लगाना है. दैट कैन बी सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम हियर. यू क्लिक दिस. इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर अ थिकर बॉर्डर, go for a bigger number, and if you want to go for a thin border, choose a smaller number. So let me choose 4.5, and then okay. So now I have blue colored border. All right. If you don't want these lines, if you don't like this plain border, you can apply something else also. Again, where to click? Page borders. Where to click? Page borders. Go to page borders, and then below that width, you will get art button. Okay. Art button is there. Click that arrow. You will get some shapes there. Some toffees, some chocolates, some candies, any shape that you like, you can click. Okay, let me choose these candies and then say okay. So you will get this kind of border on your screen. Okay, so this is how you apply borders. So let me undo this. I will work with Okay, so this is my page. And even after applying the border, if you want to change the page color, you can. How to change page color? Go to page color button and then choose any color that you like. See, this way. And if you want to go for more colors, you can click on more and then you can apply any shade to your page. So this is how you apply page color and page border. Is that clear? Did you get how to apply page color and page border? Write in the chat box. I'm just checking my chat box. Did you understand how to apply page color and page border? Write yes, no, something in the chat box. All right. All right. I received only 2 yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. I'm receiving all yes now. Okay. Done. So now you know how, but enough. I understood that you got. Okay. Now, after doing this much, what can be done next is how to insert a picture on this. Okay, this is my page. Now, suppose I want to insert a picture. So, on the ribbon only, I have insert option. Okay, in your ribbon, we have insert option. Click on insert. As you click on insert, you get picture clipper. Look at my pointer, where exactly I'm pointing. Look at that. Okay, look at my pointer, where is it? Okay, if I click on insert, I will get this. Wait 1 sec, just give me 1 sec. See, after clicking on insert, I will get this picture, clip art. I hope now it is seen on the screen. Okay, then shapes, then smart art. So I have to click on, I want to insert picture, so I will click on picture button. Okay, I will click on picture button. It will open these pictures for me. Now whatever picture you like, suppose I want this, click, you will get this picture on the page. Okay. Did you understand? So this is my picture. It has been placed on the page now. Now around this picture, you are having these dots. 1, 2, 3. All these squares you have around your picture. Okay. Now if you want to make this picture small or big, you can do that. I will drag. Remember, always you should drag the corner handle. These are called as corner handle. Just write in the chat box. What are they called as? These squares which are at the corners, they are called as, what do we call them? These are called as corner handle. Type what are they called as? Type their name. After inserting a picture, you will get that picture on the page. All right. Now, when you will get that picture on the page, you will get these small squares around the picture. Okay. And these are called the squares which are at the corner. They are called as corner handle. All right. Good. If you are giving me the name, so these are corner handles. Good. Shagun, Ashvika, Devika, Drivika. Okay, very good. So, you all of you, I hope it is clear. This is your corner handle. Okay. Now, corner handles can be dragged to make this picture either small or big. Okay. Now, if I want to make this picture small, what will I do? I will keep my mouse pointer here. All right. And then I will drag this down. Drag it down. Okay, my picture is small now. So this is how I can insert pictures and how I can make them big or small. Don't drag these. Don't drag these corners. ये वाला जो center में जो square है, इसको ड्रैग नहीं करोगे आप, क्योंकि अगर इसको ड्रैग करते हैं हम तो पिक्चर की शेप चेंज हो जाती है, पिक्चर की शेप जो है वो खराब हो जाती है। ऑलराइट, तो हम कभी भी ये सेंटर वाले हैंडल्स को ड्रैग नहीं करते। हम पिक्चर को रीसाइज करने के लिए हमेशा किसको ड्रैग करेंगे? कॉर्नर हैंडल को। तो टू रीसाइज अ पिक्चर we will drag, always we will drag what? Always we will drag corner handles. Will you remember this? Okay, now let me make it little big. How will I make? I will simply drag the corner handle and I will make it big. So this is my picture. Okay, I can place it anywhere. Just drag it. Keep your pointer, mouse pointer over the picture and the mouse pointer changes to four-headed arrow. देखो स्क्रीन पे जो एरो है, is it four-headed? एरो के पॉइंटर के साथ वो एक four-headed एरो लगा हुआ है ना, 4 डायरेक्शंस में एरो चल रहे हैं. When you get this kind of arrow on the screen, then you click your mouse and drag this picture anywhere, wherever you want. Okay, so let me keep this picture here. Done this much. Now let me insert clip arts also. तो clip art insert करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? Again you will go to insert option, right? Then besides that picture button you have another button which is clip art. Okay, so you will click on clip art. जब आप clip art पे click करते हो, you will get clip art organizer this side, left side में you will get this clip art organizer. Okay, यहाँ पे left side में, and then you can search for any picture. यहाँ पे search for box में कुछ भी नाम type करो and say go. Okay, it will give you pictures which are there in the computer. So you can click this picture and you can insert it. Got another picture? So this is a picture from a clip art. Suppose I want animal. तो यहाँ search for box में मैं क्या लिखूंगी? I will type ANIMALS, animals. Enter. Okay. So I will get all the animals which are present in the clip art. So whatever you like. Suppose you want a lion. Lion आ गया यहाँ पे. Suppose you want a rabbit also. तो rabbit यहाँ पे आ गया. Bring this rabbit here. Okay. Then what else you have? You have this also. Okay. So these are the pictures. Suppose you want plants. तो यहाँ search for box में लिखोगे plants. Clip art में you need to search. आपको क्या चाहिए? Plants लिखा. So you will get all the plants here and then you can paste that. You can insert that anywhere. Okay. Now this is a picture from pictures button, taken from pictures button, and these are clip arts. Okay. Clip arts को भी you can reduce and increase their size. इसको अगर छोटा करना है तो कॉर्नर हैंडल को ड्रैग करके छोटा कर लोगे. ऑल राइट. इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट बिग, आप कॉर्नर हैंडल को ड्रैग करके इसको बड़ा कर लोगे. ओके. रैबिट को भी सेम वे, वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक, बट रिमेंबर टू ड्रैग द कॉर्नर हैंडल. ओके. डू नॉट ड्रैग द handles which are somewhere in the center of the lines. Never drag them from the center, just drag the corner handle to resize your picture. Done. So this is my page. इस पेज पे मैंने क्या क्या रखा? इस पेज पे हमने रखा, first of all we applied some page color to this. Then I placed a picture here. Then I placed few pictures from the clip art. I can drag them up, down, wherever I want. You can position pictures according to your choice. You can resize them. You can change their location. You can do anything to these pictures. All right. Is that clear? This much is clear to all? Just write yes, no. Is that clear? How to insert a picture or how to insert a clip art. To Clear to all? Very good. Very good. Very good. I understood. I got the answer. Now next is we will learn how to insert word art. Right? So let me make it little. I'll read this picture. Now on this insert tab only, you have this button, word art button. At your insert tab, word art button, click on that. You will get all these styles on your screen. Okay. And then get all these on your screen. You choose on any style. Let me click this one. Okay. You will get this window. You have to type here whatever. Suppose you want to type name of your school. Done. After typing, there is a okay. Just click that button. Okay. And you have word art here. So this is your stylish handwriting. If you want to do some stylish handwriting, then you can choose word art. Okay. Word art करने के लिए क्या करोगे? You will go to insert option. वर्ड आर्ट बटन, वर्ड आर्ट बटन का को कैसे पहचानोगे? उसके ऊपर ब्लू कलर का ए लिखा होता है, ठीक है? उसके ऊपर ब्लू कलर का ए लिखा होगा. जस्ट क्लिक दैट बटन. वन सेक, जस्ट this is your insert button. All right, and this is your button. See this a blue A. I hope you are able to see my pointer. This A, can you see? This is your word art button. Blue वाला जो A है. You will click this arrow. There is an arrow. You will click this. You will get. You will get below this word art. These are the styles. So you can choose any style that you feel like choosing. If you want to have this, you can click on this. Then it will ask you that what do you want to write. Let me say I want to write what do you want to write? Summer camp. Summer camp. Okay, then say okay. After typing this, just give me 1 sec. Okay, so this is my word, some camp. Okay, this is placed here on this. You can position it anywhere. I will drag it down. I can drag it up. I can drag it to another page. I can make it big. I can make it small. All right. 1 sec. 1 sec. 1 sec. Yes, Anuradha, you can type your question in the chat box. If you are having any troubles, if you want to ask something, you can raise your queries in the chat box. My chat box is open. Yes, Ashwika. Yes, Ashwika. What is your problem, bache? Wait, let me finish and then I'll unmute you all. Then you can ask your queries, right? Let me finish. I will unmute you all before closing this meeting. Then you can ask me whatever is your problem. Is that okay? Is that okay? Can you wait for some time? I'm waiting for your yes. All right, all right. So this is how we insert pictures, clip arts, and word art. All right. Did you understand how to apply color to a page? How to apply border to a page? How to insert pictures and clip arts, and how to insert word art. These are the 4-5 things that practically we learned today. Somebody was asking in the chat box that ma'am which page number and all. See, we are doing practicals because teaching theory can be done later, since this practical is also very important. So I have taken your practical chapter. In your book, there is a chapter Microsoft Word. So we are doing that chapter practically, because you all have computers at your home. I know that. And I'm teaching you these practicals so that you can practice. If I teach you theory, what happens? You do not learn that. You do not watch the videos, do not learn the theory. I know that very well. So since practicals are interesting, so I thought of teaching you practicals so that you can utilize this time for practical. You can practice whatever is being taught to the students in the classes. You can practice. तो प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए पता होना चाहिए कहाँ से क्या करना है. That's why I have decided, or you can say I chose this topic. I thought I'll teach you and practically you can practice at home. तो जिनके पास कंप्यूटर्स नहीं भी हैं, सबके फोन में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस होता है. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड जो है आजकल सभी स्मार्टफोन होता है. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दिस ऑन स्मार्टफोन्स आल्सो. एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग लैपटॉप्स और desktops, whatever, then better to practice on that. All right, now I'm over. आज के लिए इतना ही करवाना है मैंने. अब I'm unmuting you all. जिसको भी जो भी problem है can ask me now. Yes, I have given you permissions. You can
Excuse me,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. Yes,
This
one by one. Yes, this is desktop. Very good. Yes, I saw.
Excuse me,
This is
ma'am.
desktop. Yes, बच्चे.
मैम मैम हम ओपन कहाँ से करते हैं जब हमें टाइप करना होता है?
बच्चे स्टार्ट बटन पे जाते हैं. ठीक है, स्टार्ट बटन पे जाते हैं, उसमें आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस मिलेगा. ओके, क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट बटन, देन क्लिक ऑन ऑफिस, एंड देयर यू विल गेट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Anything else? Anything else you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Anybody else with any query?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
okay. Okay, all right. All right.
मैम हमने पिक्चर कैसे चेंज करनी थी? मैम
बच्चे, you need
और
to
लिखना
go to,
कैसे था ऊपर?
आपको इंसर्ट पे जाना है. इंसर्ट पे जाना है आपको. ठीक है,
मैम
सुनो.
अपनी
हेलो,
पिक्चर कैसे चेंज करनी है?
I'm telling. सुनो पहले.
मैम पिक्चर कैसे चेंज करनी है? और उसके ऊपर लिखना कैसे है?
अरे मैंने सुन ली. Now give me time to answer. Give me time to answer now. Okay. पिक्चर इंसर्ट करने के लिए रिबन के ऊपर you have insert tab. All right. You will click on insert tab. और जब आप insert tab पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको रिबन के ऊपर ऑप्शन मिलेगा पिक्चर का और क्लिप आर्ट का ऑप्शन मिलेगा आपको. आप पिक्चर वाले पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको पिक्चर्स दिखेंगे आपके कंप्यूटर्स में जितनी भी पिक्चर्स हैं. यू विल गेट ऑल दोस पिक्चर्स. वहां से कोई भी पिक्चर को क्लिक करो और ओपन करो, वो अपने आप आपके व्हाइट एरिया पे या डॉक्यूमेंट एरिया पे आ जाएगी. ओके,
ओके
यस. और लिखने के लिए यू आर नॉट
मैम हमको
ऑडिबल.
फोन पे कैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वगैरह करना है?
फोन में आपके ऑफिस होता है ना बच्चे. फोन में एक 1 सेकंड, I'll tell you. आपके फोन में WPS ऑफिस होता है. क्या होता है? WPS ऑफिस. जिनको फोन पे करना है, फोन में WPS ऑफिस करके एक आइकन बना होगा. क्लिक दैट WPS ऑफिस. ये who's this? ओके. और जो किसी को ये भी क्वेश्चन था कि लिखना कैसे है, तो लिखने के लिए आप इंसर्ट पे ही जाओगे और वर्ड आर्ट पे क्लिक करोगे, ठीक है? वर्ड आर्ट पे क्लिक करोगे तो लिख पाओगे। यस बच्चे, यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल बच्चे, कम क्लोजर टू द माइक्रोफोन।
नाम क्या था? OPS ऑफिस।
WPS ऑफिस।
मैम मैंने कंप्यूटर का पहला चैप्टर नहीं उतारा है।
क्यों नहीं उतारा बेबी? क्यों नहीं
मैम मेरे को
उतारा
नहीं
है?
आया कंप्यूटर।
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है बच्चे, मैंने तो सबको भेज दिया, आप अपनी किसी फ्रेंड से ले लो अब, ठीक है? जिसने कॉपी करा है, आस्क योर फ्रेंड टू सेंड यू द पिक्स ऑफ द पेजेस, क्योंकि मैंने तो भेज दिया है सबको।
मैम आई हैव डन।
दैट्स वेरी गुड, दैट्स वेरी गुड। जिन्होंने कर लिया है, जिन्होंने नहीं किया है वो भी प्लीज कॉपी करो। ऑल राइट, चलो ओके। एनी अदर क्वेरी?
नो मैम।
Okay then, in that case, I'm winding up. Fine? Okay. And whatever.
हेलो मैम।
Yes, बच्चे.
मैंने नोटबुक में नहीं किया, मैंने बुक में किया आंसर।
हाँ बच्चे, बुक में ही करना है, नोटबुक में नहीं करना है, बुक में ही लिखना है, जो भी लिखना है।
ओके थैंक यू
Everything
मैम।
has to be in the book.
कंप्यूटर की नोट बनानी है?
नहीं बनानी है, बुक में लिखना है सब कुछ। All right?
ओके मैम।
Okay then. जितना भी करवाया है ये सारा प्रैक्टिस करोगे आज, ठीक है? अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो फिर सारा भूल जाएगा। All right?
ओके मैम।
Okay, bye.
बाय मैम।